Today, introducing you to the most yummiest and crunchiest breakfast ever called granola. Hello and welcome. I'm back with another interesting recipe. So today this recipe gonna be very interesting because it's really a very light and low calorie diet. So with oats. So I'm gonna do a recipe with oats, a very special recipe which everyone would love to enjoy this recipe as a breakfast or as a very light dinner also. So let's start. I really enjoy this combo with a lot of oats included and as well dry fruits, a lot more amount of dry fruits. So today I'm taking some more ingredients as dry fruits. So today I've taken cashews and figs. So these are all figs. So I've taken cashews and figs. And the next ingredient I'm gonna show you is some almonds, a bowl full of almonds. And this was do you guess what it was? So you can see here, it's nothing but that's one, and some pumpkin seeds, some dried cranberries, some sunflower seeds. So it's basically all a mix of dry fruits and some raisins, green raisins and as well black raisins. Both I'm taking because I need that combination, that colorful things. So yeah, let's start. So I'm showing the ingredients again. Almonds, so it's your quantity, how much you prefer. So I'm taking almonds and black raisins and some cashews and a little amount of 2 figs and these packet of dried cranberries and as well pumpkin seeds. These are green pumpkin seeds and some pistachios and some sunflower seeds. So as you can see, I've taken the oats. I've taken normal oats only. It's regular oats. If you want, you can also take with rolled oats because rolled oats are really well going with it. But I don't have rolled oats. I've normally went on with normal oats. It's basic oats. So if you want to make this recipe, so you can go with rolled oats. I prefer rolled oats are the best. To this, I'm adding cashews and some black raisins and some amount of almonds. So, do you guess what we're going to add? Some pistachios. And these are dried cranberries. It was so good to eat the dried cranberries. So if you didn't taste this, so please have it as regularly. So these was so healthy. So yeah, dried cranberries. So here I already added the fig pieces. So these are the fig pieces which I will really cut it into small pieces. So now I'm gonna add the pumpkin seeds. These are the green pumpkin seeds. Okay, looks so colorful, isn't it? So to this, next I'm adding these seeds. And now I'm gonna add green raisins or the golden raisins, whatever. Here I've taken the raisins with the seed inside, but it's okay. You can also add your normal raisins. Once after a nice mix, I'm gonna add honey. Here I'm taking 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. And now I'm gonna add a handful of flax seeds. So this is a combination of fully loaded nuts and seeds. At this point of time I'm gonna add butter as it is, and if you want you can also melt the butter and add, but I'm going here as the butter itself. Once if you're done with adding all the ingredients, mix it thoroughly as the butter itself can melt over here on your hands. In case of butter, you can also replace it with cooking oil or olive oil, preferable. Once the mixing of granola is done perfectly, you're gonna transfer it to a bowl and preheat the oven and bake for at least 20 minutes. Here I'm adding a little bit of oil and baking again. So see how it's like halfly turned into a brown. Let's bake for some time. So yeah, it's perfectly done. The granola is finally crunchy. I really enjoy this cereal by adding milk on it. So yeah, with milk or curd it goes well. So yeah, it's really nice breakfast. So here I'm showing the with the combination of curd, the granola, and some almonds, dried cranberries, black raisins, and a lot more loaded seeds as well. On top of that, I'm gonna add honey. I love the combination of honey and curd mixed with the dry fruits and the granola or the muesli, whatever it might be. Also add your favorite fruits over here and enjoy it. Here I'm adding pomegranate. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this breakfast. So with this breakfast I really feel very full. So that's how my breakfast look like. So you can also have this breakfast or lunch, dinner, whatever it might be. So it's really a very low calorie food. I'm gonna add chia seeds here and some flax seeds powder on top of that. So it's a complete like full meal. I hope you like this easy, simple 2 minutes granola recipe. Please do try it and let me know how you liked it.